Oil circulation is regulated by 6 valves shown in the video. Open valves 1 and 5, close the other valves, and the fryer begins self-circulation. Open valve 6, 3, and 1, close the other valves, and the oil circulates through the filter and the pot. Open valves 5 and 2, close the other valves, and the fryer draws oil into the oil tank. Open valves 4 and 1, close the other valves, and the oil tank draws oil into the fryer. Open valve 6, 3, and 2, close all the other valves, and the fryer draws oil through the filtered oil tank into the oil tank.